In this video, I'll show you how to find and use the chat box in Microsoft Teams on your desktop. These steps work the same whether you're on Windows or Mac, so you can follow along with ease. To begin, open the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the official Microsoft website to make sure you're using the most up-to-date version. Once Teams is open, look to the left side menu. This sidebar is where you'll navigate through the app. From the list of icons, find and click on Chat. This will take you to the main chat area, where all of your conversations are displayed. Here, you can review previous messages or jump back into an ongoing discussion. To open an existing conversation, simply select it from the list. If you want to start a brand new chat, go to the top of the chat panel and click the New Chat button, shown as an envelope icon. This opens a fresh chat window where you can message one or more contacts. After opening a chat, move your attention to the bottom of the screen. This is where the chat box is located. Click inside the box, type your message, and press Enter to send it. It's quick and easy. Microsoft Teams also gives you more ways to communicate beyond plain text. Near the chat box, you'll find options to add emojis, attach files, use stickers or GIFs, format your text, or even start a voice or video call directly from the chat. Teams Chat is designed to make communication more flexible and engaging, whether you're having a casual conversation or collaborating on work. That's it for this tutorial on how to access and use the chat box in Microsoft Teams on desktop. With these features, staying connected with your team becomes faster and more effective. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.